Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install DSCR loans with LendingHome detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the LendingHome website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the DSCR loan section on the platform. Select the option to apply for a loan. Fill out the application form with your personal information. Enter your employment details, including income and job title. Provide information about your property, such as location and type. Indicate your expected rental income for the property. Upload necessary documents, including tax returns and bank statements. Review your application for any errors or missing information. Submit the application once you've confirmed its accuracy. Wait for the initial review from the LendingHome team. Respond to any requests for additional documentation promptly. Once your application is approved, review the terms and conditions. Sign the loan agreement electronically. Finalize the loan by funding your account. Monitor the timeline for the closing process. Prepare for any final inspections or evaluations of the property. Once everything is complete, you will receive the funds. You are now ready to utilize your DSCR loan for your investment purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.